You have several different sort options in Google Drive. First of all, my Google Drive is set up so that I have my folders on top and then my files as I scroll down. I can also look at it if I click on the little squares. That's my grid layout. My folders are still on the top. They're just positioned a little bit differently, but it's a little bit harder to find things in the list. I just like alphabetical. So with my files, if I want to sort them by name, currently I have them sorted A to Z. If you remember, we talked about that you can add asterisks or you can add spaces or underscores to bring things up to the top. If I click on the arrow, it's going to sort them Z to A, but still folders first and then files. I'm going to click it back because normally people like their things A to Z. I can sort it by last modified by me, or last opened by me. So if I'm trying to find a file that I've used recently, I could click on last opened by me, and it's going to, again, folders first, but if I go down to files, it'll show me the files that I've opened most recently. And I think I want to have last modified by me. These are my folders. You can also sort by file size. I want you to look at this because this is a very handy thing. So I don't see anything for file size beside my folders because they're not folders, they're files. But if I go down here, I can see how big my files are. If I'm looking to clean out my drive and find really big files, which are usually video files that I want to get rid of, sorting my file size is a pretty good thing to do. So I'm going to click this button, scroll back down again. So I have my smaller ones first. Well, there are a few little ones mixed in here, but in general it gives you, it kind of chunks the big ones and the small ones together. It's not a perfect solution. I'm going to change it back the other way. So that's for checking on your file size. I was constantly running out of storage, which is probably not an issue for you, and I would sort by file size or search by file size to see which files I might want to get rid of.